Stop thinking and just start. How many YouTube tutorials are you going to watch? How long are you going to consider starting a YouTube channel? If you want to do YouTube, and if you're watching this video, you probably do, then just start. And you might be saying, Matt, okay, I'm fired up, I'm ready to go. Just tell me the best way for blowing up my channel as fast as possible. So in this video, I want to break down the specific method I've used to not just blow up one YouTube channel, but to blow up over a dozen. Plus, I've given this strategy to thousands of students who've also blown up channels. So let's get into the best, fastest way for blowing up YouTube channels from complete scratch. And let this be the last video you watch if you don't already have a YouTube channel before deciding, you know what, screw it, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna take that leap of faith and I'm gonna start my channel. So step number one is choosing the right foundation for your channel. You need to choose what type of channel you're going to run. There's two main types of channels. There are entertainment and education channels. I recommend starting with education because you don't need millions of views to make tons of money. You can monetize outside of just putting ads on your videos. Step number two then is choosing a way of generating content. And there's several ways of doing this. Now, I personally got my start with faceless YouTube channels. So if you don't want to show your face on YouTube, you definitely don't have to. And now there's more ways than ever, especially with AI, to generate amazing faceless content that you can still build a very big brand and be very easy to sell stuff in. And the first type of faceless content is faceless AI avatar content. This is becoming extremely big on the platform. You have channels like Zinni Studio, who's just a 3D animated avatar that you can easily generate with something like Seedream via a website like OpenArt to make an animated version of either yourself or a character that you think up of from scratch. And then you take that image you generated and then you put it into a software like HeyGen to actually be able to have it be an animated character. Now you might be saying, Matt, why are you telling me this? I just want to find the absolute fastest way to blow up my channel. I'm telling you this because if you have just a standard faceless channel that you're not building a real brand IP on, things like AI are going to commoditize content creation. So I want you to build things on the right foundation. And if you're not already doing that, I want you to pivot a little bit and incorporate an avatar onto your faceless channel. The other type of channel you can run is a personal channel like the one that I'm doing right here. But for people who don't want to show their face, start faceless. That's what I personally did until I was able to get in front of a camera. Now I run both types of channels. Step three then is to make sure that you're within a good niche and make sure you're within a hyper-specific niche. Here's a list of all of the best niches on YouTube, as well as some sub-niches, which are very specific subsets of each of these within each. You want to be as specific as possible with your channel because it's going to make the next steps I'm about to show you as easy as possible for blowing up as fast as possible. Step four then is to make hyper-specific videos combining multiple types of topics that have already worked on YouTube. Do not just make general videos like, let's say you're running a health channel and you make videos like how to lose weight, best supplements. These are way too general. The fastest way to blow up your channel as fast as possible, like what Richard Kelly MD did, who blew up his channel from getting barely any views per video to all of a sudden getting over 1 million views on a video. What he did was he did a hyper-specific topic combining two popular topics into something huge. So what he did was he took creatine, which is a very popular supplement, and then he took the demographic of people over 50. And he made a video about, does creatine over 50 work? And lo and behold, he got over 1 million views. So if you can find two popular subjects, ideally within one of the niches that I gave you earlier, this is one of the secrets for blowing up on YouTube. Now, just having a good subject and being hyper-specific on your videos, this is not enough. You need to optimize your channel correctly and optimize it in a way where you think about the next hour of your viewers' experience. And this brings me into the next step, which is considering the next hour of every viewer. Because if you don't do this, their next hour is going to be dictated by something else. Because if you think about it, YouTube wants people to stay on the platform as long as possible. The longer you keep somebody on YouTube, the more money YouTube makes through ads, the more views they're going to give you. So YouTube prioritizes videos that keep people on the platform. And instead of leaving it up to chance, why not put in place an actual strategy? It blows me away how many channels don't even think about what their viewers are going to do with the next hour of their time, and they don't even give viewers an option. You want to give them an option and make it very easy for people to spend another hour on your channel, no matter what type of channel that you run. This works for faceless channels and personal channels. And the best way of implementing the next hour strategy is to make a money video. A money video is simply a 30-minute to hour-long video that's going to live on your channel that teaches whatever you're teaching on your channel step by step. So for that example channel, for someone who does fitness and health tutorials for people over 50, you could do a very comprehensive video about how to lose weight over the age of 50. Full guide. You go over step-by-step instructions for doing it. You go over the best types of exercises for not getting injured, and you create an incredibly valuable in-depth guide. And this guide is going to then relate to all of the other videos on your channel. And then what you do is you put an end screen on every new video you upload from that point on, directing people back to that very long video. This then gives your viewers an option how they're going to spend their next hour, and they'll do it with you. And the best way of making this video as well, if you're like, Matt, this sounds overwhelming to make an hour-long video, just focus on writing the script. You only have to do this once. And once you have your script, then put it into an app like gamma.app, which is a free slideshow. And then it'll make you a full slideshow that you can go ahead and tweak and have AI images and everything else and make it look really beautiful and good. And then use this for the video and simply record your screen using something like OBS. And if you look at my money video on this channel right now, I did exactly that. It's a slideshow presentation. I am showing my face on it, but you don't have to. In fact, this channel started completely faceless, and that money video, so to speak, then sells something at the end of it. So then you have the added benefit of also making some money as well. As for what to sell, I recommend an affiliate product that you can find on places like School. You could join someone else's community and then promote it, or Digistore24, finding courses to promote, or simply search ChatGPT for affiliate products within your niche that you can promote. And the best types of products are software or courses because they're digital and because there's no fulfillment costs associated with them. Therefore, you'll make a lot more money. Now, in terms of your individual videos, a really key secret for blowing up as well is something called the open loop strategy. Most YouTubers front load all of their value within the first few minutes of the video, and then viewers click away after they've gotten the main value. You just reiterate things that you've already talked about towards the end. Why would someone keep watching? What I like to do on all of my channels is open multiple curiosity loops. I'll mention something interesting, promise to explain it later, and then deliver other valuable content first. This opens a loop in people's minds. It's the same exact strategy that popular TV shows do when they leave on a cliffhanger, but unlike having to wait a week, people just have to wait 30 seconds, a minute before they get that value. You actually provide then that real value that you promised, whether it's entertainment or educational, after every single curiosity loop. This will increase your audience retention dramatically, keep people watching your videos for longer, so then your individual videos will have high audience retention. Plus, you're keeping people on YouTube, increasing your session time, which is a little known statistic that is key for blowing up on YouTube. And you're making videos on the right subjects because you're doing hyper-specific topics, combining two topics that have already worked. And this is my exact method for blowing up on YouTube. And by the way, if you want to implement that curiosity loop strategy I mentioned, my software TubeMagic will automatically do that for you because we have the curiosity loop strategy built into the tool. It's the best AI tool for writing scripts because you can also select an accurate word count and add multiple YouTube videos as context to take the best insights and information from those videos and put it in yours in new and unique ways, utilizing the open and closing loop strategy. Now, you might be saying, Matt, that's epic. I'm excited. I'm ready to start my YouTube channel. And now I know the exact method of blowing up. I'm going to go out there and do it. And I say that's awesome. Just make sure that you're setting things up correctly from the beginning and make sure you're monetizing your channel correctly and that your niche is actually proven. I have a video on my channel where I go over all of that. You don't have to watch it right now if you don't want to. At least bookmark it to watch it later. It's basically a full free course for doing all of that. And I'm not just saying this to get more audience retention either. I genuinely try to put as much value as I possibly could in that video. It's next to me right here. Feel free to bookmark it, watch it later, watch it right now if you're on a binge about starting YouTube channels. But don't just watch it. Take action on the insights in this video right here. My name is Matt Parr. I hope you got a ton of value, and I will see you there.